Rudra helicopter of the Indian Army, which started its flying operations from Mamoon Kent area of Pathankot, met an accident and crashed into the Ranjit Sagar river. Right now we are in Pathankot, and just opposite to this is the place where that accident has taken place. Republic is showing you the visuals of the rescue and relief operations that are being carried out by Jammu and Kashmir Police, Pathankot Police, as well as the Indian Army. That very place the incident has taken place, but the depth of this very lake, which is on the banks of which is on the Ranjit Sagar Dam to hold the water, is about 400 to 500 meters, which is making it really difficult to carry out the rescue operations. Even the aerial recce of the area was being conducted some half an hour back by the Indian Army. They want to get an idea of exactly where the incident has taken place, and the priority is to get those two pilots who were on board out safely. There is no official confirmation about the well-being of those two pilots who were part of this, but now Jammu and Kashmir Police, Punjab Police, Indian Army and specially divers have also been called in to carry out relief and rescue operation. It is pertinent to mention that same aircraft which was on board in January 2021 met an accident in Kathua area in which one pilot lost his life. Today's incident, it was about 10:20 in the morning when it took off from the Mamoon Kent area of Pathankot and was on an aerial routine sortie to this very place. So it was a low flying helicopter, and at that very place it developed a technical snag due to which it crashed into the Ranjit Sagar Dam, and now relief and rescue operations are underway. With Gaurav Sani, Gursimran Singh for Public Media Network from Pathankot.
All right, we continue to get you those live pictures coming in at this point as the rescue operations are underway. Two pilots of an ALH Dhruv helicopter of the Indian Army who are still missing after their chopper crashed into Ranjit Sagar Dam. The Army has said that search operation is underway to trace the missing personnel. This is Ranjit Sagar Dam that is looked.
आर्मी की डीप वाटर डाइविंग टीम्स आई हुई है और जिस एरिया में ये सस्पेक्टेड किया जाता है कि चॉपर की क्रैश हुआ है वो 150-200 फीट का वाटर है और मुझे लगता है कि इसमें स्पेशलाइज्ड काम करना पड़ेगा, इसलिए आर्मी के अभी स्पेशलाइज्ड डाइवर्स आए हुए हैं।
तो सर, एयरफोर्स को भी रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशंस में चिप इन किया गया है। क्या लग रहा है कि कोई लंबा जाने वाला ये ऑपरेशंस, क्योंकि मल्टीपल टीम्स अब आ गई हैं?
देखिए, ऐसा है कि मल्टीपल फोर्सेस काम कर रही हैं। जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस क्योंकि बसोली का एरिया सबसे नज़दीक है, तो एसएचओ बसोली और बाकी लोग जो है इसमें सबसे पहले रेस्क्यू में लग गए थे। पंजाब की टीम भी आई हुई है, एनडीआरएफ की टीम्स भी आई हुई हैं, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि जहाँ पे ये हादसा हुआ है इन द मिडल ऑफ द रंजीत सागर डैम, वहाँ पे आपको डीप वाटर डाइवर्स चाहिए जो स्पेशलाइज्ड काम करते हों और वहाँ से आपको चॉपर का रैकेज और अगर कोई बॉडीज़ हैं तो वो निकल पाएंगी।
शुक्रिया सर। तो ये थे एसएसपी कठुआ जो कह रहे हैं कि यहाँ पर जो स्पेशलाइज्ड टीम है उनकी बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है। अगर यहाँ पर आपको ऑपरेशंस जो हैं वो करने हैं, उन लोगों को फिश आउट करना है जो अभी भी मिसिंग है, क्योंकि इनिशियल कॉन्टैक्ट के बाद पायलट से कोई कॉन्टैक्ट अभी तक नहीं हो पाया है और लगातार आप देखें तो यहाँ पर रेस्क्यू रिलीफ ऑपरेशंस की कोशिश की जा रही हैं। अब इंडियन एयरफोर्स को यहाँ पर चिप इन किया गया है रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशंस के लिए और लगातार कोशिश ये है कि जल्द से जल्द जो है उन दो जानों को बचाया जाए, दो पायलट्स को बचाया जाए जो उस वक्त ऑन बोर्ड थे रुद्र हेलीकॉप्टर में। जी,
All right, so Gursimran, they're getting us several voices from this very location where rescue operations are underway, as the police also says that some parts of the chopper that were floating on the water have been recovered, also saying that specialized forces and divers are conducting the rescue operations. Only after divers go into the lake will they be able to know what's the exact status of the operation. I want to bring back Gursimran, who is with us on the broadcast. Gursimran, all attempts being made to save those two pilots after the crash, but these are not easy operations to conduct, and expert divers are conducting these operations. What more will you be able to tell us at this point?
So right now we are reporting from that very place where the incident has taken place in the Ranjit Sagar Dam. And I'll request Gaurav to show you the visuals that not only Jammu and Kashmir police but also the NDRF as well as the Indian Army is part of these operations. You can see that the teams of SDRF have also been pushed in. Even the Air Force has also now joined the operations. Chinook was brought in to drop the special divers of the Indian Army. They want to make each and every effort to save those two precious lives which were on board on that Rudra helicopter, the weaponized version of Dhruva, which met an accident at around 10:20 in the morning and crashed into deep inside the Ranjit Sagar Dam. I'll request Gaurav to show you more and more visuals that this is the very exact place where the incident has taken place. This is the place where incident took place at around 10:20 in the morning. The area has been earmarked. Even some debris of that helicopter has also been found, after which they are now conducting the rescue and relief operations in that very area. They want a single clue about those two pilots because they have also found the helmet of those two pilots which were on board in Rudra helicopter when it met an accident and crashed into Ranjit Sagar Dam. So as we spoke to SSP Kathua, RC Kotwal, just a while back, and he shared with Republic that it is going to take some time as this is really a tough challenge for them and they need special divers for them that have been now dropped by the Chinook of the Indian Air Force here.
All right, good, Simran. I want to thank you for getting these details and we'll keep coming back to you as the operation is now being conducted